Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the vent bellows screen on your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's broken, damaged, or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a VT20 star bit and a pair of pliers, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a pair of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this will be the washer that we're using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. First thing we're going to do is we're going to shut the water off. And now we're going to get our washer turned around. And now we're going to disconnect the hoses. So we're going to use a pair of channel locks and turn them. And you might also want to make sure you have either towels or a bucket standing by, because there will most likely still be water in your lines. Now we have to remove the 3 screws holding the top piece on, and to do that we're going to use a VT20 star bit. And now that the screws are off, we can pull the top back, and then it should lift right off. So now this is our vent bellows screen. So we're going to go back now to the inside, and with our needle nose pliers on this side, we've got a couple of clips that we have to undo. So we're just going to squeeze that in and then push that out. There we go. And then we got to do the other one and unclipping the other side, and it should come right out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement vent bellows screen, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we're just going to push this into place like so, and it just snaps in and locks in like that. Now we'll put the top of the washer back on. So we'll slide that down and then push it forward and into place. And now we'll screw the screws back in. And now we can reattach our water hoses. Now we can turn the water back on, make sure there's no leaks, and plug everything else in. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.